Hello kids, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Teacher Mikel, your online teacher in English 2. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you will be updated in my next video. During our first week in our second quarter, we have discussed about the different parts of a book. Now, we will be focusing on the contents of a book cover. What are the parts found in a book cover? Okay, so let's start with the title. So as you can see in the book cover, the title of the book is My Pet. And the author is Mike Mendoza. And the illustrator is John Ramos. All these three are found in a book cover. Today, we will be identifying the title, the author, and the book illustrator. The title refers to the name of the book. It tells what the book is all about. Some books have one-word title, while some are composed of several ones. I have here two examples of book cover. What is the title of the first book? Very good, Big Anna. How about the second book? What is the title of the second book? Brilliant, My Favorite Teacher. Usually, the title of the book is found on the upper part of a book cover. The author. The author refers to the writer of the book. Usually, you will know the author of the book as it is introduced by the word author or written by. Again, look at the two samples of book cover. Who is the author in the first book? Very good, Mike Mendoza. How about in the second book? Who do you think wrote the book? Very good, it's Benjo Cruz. Again, the person who wrote the book is usually introduced by, author, or written by. Next, the illustrator. The illustrator is the one who draws the pictures, images, and or illustrations. Some books do not have illustrators. In some cases, the author also acts as the book illustrator. The illustrator is usually introduced by the term illustrator or illustrated by. Again, look at the two samples of book cover. Who do you think is the illustrator in book 1? Very good, John Ramos. How about in book 2? Who do you think is the illustrator? Brilliant, it's Anne Reyes. A book is a good source of information. The cover itself provides rich information. Some of the basic details that you can see on the front cover include the title, the author, and the illustrator. I hope, kids, that you learned something today. See you on our next video. I am Teacher Mikel, your online teacher in English 2.